Now on Instagram, you may have created an AI chat. In AI chat, there's one option called Icebreakers. What this means is, these will be some set of questions to start a conversation. So after creating that AI chat, if you want to change these Icebreakers questions or if you want to add new Icebreaker questions, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to do that. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, down here, you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you're clicking on that, above you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see AI chats. Click on AI chats. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach AI Studio. Here you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI that you've created. From this, select the AI chat of which you want to change Icebreaker's questions. But if you want the AI to generate one question for you, what you can do is, here you can see a button like this, click on this button. When you're clicking on that, AI will generate one question for us. So that way you can easily set those Icebreakers questions. After that, above you can see the Done button. Click on this Done button and here you can see the Publish option. Click on this Publish option. When you're clicking on that, those settings will be saved. So, this way we can easily add or change Icebreakers questions on your Instagram AI chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.